riding in my Cadillac. What to my surprise.
Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
Who the hell was it?
Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
Oh my god.
Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
Do you guys hear that frickin' iPod Nano shit? It's like blaring in my frickin' ear.
Wait, you get to the wild first, I think, right?
Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
Yeah. Let me log out of vent and then log back in, cause some fucking iPod Nano shit keeps blaring in my ear. It's pissing me off.
Okay, tough guy.
Okay, buddy.
Okay. What the fuck? Was that one of you guys?
What?
Dude, I swear to God, shit's like coming through my mic and stuff.
Not me, man.
Ah!
What did it sound like? Fuck.
Yo, are you like a fucking crackhead? You're saying you're not a pothead, but I'm actually not believing you. Thanks, Bills.
Is everybody ready?
Word.
Yep.
Suck it up, QB, and be a man.
Alright, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Everyone to the middle. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Come on, dudes. Come on, dudes. Let's dead this.
Oh my god. I'm gonna fucking kill whoever that is.
Yo, what the fuck is that? Was that what he was talking about?
Who's Bowler?
I don't know, block that asshole.
Who?
Bowler. B-O-W-L-E-R.
Yo, A-bomb, A-bomb. On TV.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking piece of shit! Well, if I don't fucking live and kill you! Motherfucker!
Jesus, man.
Pick up these A-bombs, please, and get them down.
Oh, fuck. Fuck.
Yeah, we're going down.
Congratulations! You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos as part of our
Shut the fuck up, you fucking queer! Razor, can we use your vent?
Hey guys, I got an idea. Let's go play Gaia online and go fishing!
What the hell was that?
Oh my god.
Ow.
Holy crap.
guys mute him.
that.
Yeah, it's
Wow, you
him.
can't-
That was bad.
You can't even.
That was
Yeah,
really
that-
bad.
That was
Weekend.
what's his name?
Wick
Yeah,
was
we make it
Reawakened.
14. Yeah, and
Yeah,
he has
that's
his
what I
key
had.
next to him.
Okay.
We need a vent admin to ban his IP.
I just mute him. I don't know.
Congratulations. Congratulations. You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
Muting.
Long.
When I was that's what I'm. Jesus. Thinking that maybe it was a free.
Alright. Everyone calm down.
No!
Okay.
I'm emotional.
So scary. Actually reminded me of that movie The Ring or something, you know?
I was totally thinking the same thing. Yeah, I'm waiting for the crazy bitch to fucking have, start coming out of my computer monitor or something.
Flame's doing it now.
Who is it?
Now
Yeah, it's
It's
Flame.
Flame. Bow's Flame.
Yeah, I just muted
do you have a
Flame.
server admin to check his IP?
It just said player no longer exists.
Oh my god. It's Gruel now.
Okay, seriously, this is getting insane.
Nah, it's someone hacking or doing some bullshit.
Yeah, they're fucking with us.
Yep. There's a lot of ways to hack into accounts, so... Oh, Vapor even just told me someone's hacking accounts.
I just think it's weird that they're in the AFK channel and transmitting over our channel.
There's a lot of shit you can do in Vent. A lot of
Yeah.
stuff.
Congratulations. You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos. Congratulations. You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
I think I got a virus because it keeps telling me I keep getting free iPods. Uh-oh.
Maybe you're just lucky.
No, I keep playing it, so congratulations, you
You
got a
have
free
been selected
iPod.
to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
You should claim it so you can...
What the fuck? I don't have my browser even open. What is this?
Oh.
Congratulations. You have been selected to receive 2 free iPod Nanos.
I don't need deathmatch.
I'm kicking that person.